Currently it's -2 degrees Celsius in Krakow, and it feels like -4 degree Celsius. Hello friends, as you know I am in Krakow and it's Christmas time, so I am in Christmas market of Krakow in Krakow Square. So this is the center of Krakow, and in this vlog I will show you the Christmas market of Krakow. Hope you have seen my previous vlog too, where I have shown you the basic Krakow and the places I visited in Krakow. So if you have not seen that vlog, please go and check it out. I will put the link in the description too. So let's go and enjoy this Christmas market. So these shops are not Christmas markets. These are kind of permanent shops here, which sell lot of traditional stuff and souvenirs. As I can see, lot of souvenirs here you can see, and some traditional clothes of Poland, as you can see behind me. So, but it is very beautifully decorated. So they are selling lot of beautiful souvenirs here. You can see the shop. Traditional clothes, some antique guns. Yeah, interesting. This tree is so beautifully decorated, and it's changing the color too. So it was white, now it's yellow. Isn't it beautiful? Looks amazing. Here I guess they are selling some cakes. Yeah, 15 zloty, 16 zloty. Then we have some pierogi shops. Yeah, and here they are selling some garlic bread and various kinds of flavors of bread here. Yeah. In this shop they are selling hot mead. I guess it's the famous hot wine of Krakow. And here hot dog. Here some dish of sheep. Yeah. Okay. So here also some pork stuff. Here again dumplings or pierogi, what they call in local. Here they are selling, I guess, some sweet stuff. And here churros, the famous Spanish churros, they are selling here. This is for what?
Plum vodka.
Again a churro shop here. Some designer crockery shops. Again a grill shop here. Carts. Some decorative stuff here. Made up of wood. Lot of souvenirs here. There is lot of rush on this shop. Let's see what they are selling. Gofri Kawa. Okay, so waffles. Let's go there. So here also some souvenir. Lot of candies. It's very crowded here. Lots of sweets here and a beautiful Santa Claus.
Nie podoba mi się.
Del villaggio imbottigliato con le etichette.
Again some sweets.
Jest cała wycieczka.
Again some wooden stuff here.
Oh, ça serait peut-être lourd, hein? Ouais, je pense aussi.
Some sweets, candies. different kinds of chocolate.
Trafisz, to jestem.
Dobra, jedziemy. A choinkę macie już
Beautiful socks here.
będzie po zabawce.
These are the outside seating for the restaurants on the city center, and they are also very well decorated, as you can see.
Ty kawałek po 200, nie po 250.
Zapraszamy.